Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to discuss how to find the equation of a parabola. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's begin.
Okay. Problem number 1. Find the standard equation of the parabola with vertex at the origin and focus at 0, 5. Okay, to get the equation of the parabola, so it will be better if you know, okay, what the parabola will looks like. Okay, so dapat alam mo, magkaroon ka ng idea, ano ba yung opening niya? Opens upward ba yan, downward, right, or left? Okay, in order to do that, so what we're going to do here is to plot, okay, the given. So, ang given, the vertex, and the focus. Okay, so it says in the problem, the vertex is located at the origin. Okay, so origin. So this is your vertex with coordinates 0, 0. Now, ang focus is located at 0, 5. And we know ang 0, 5 is on the y-axis. Kunyari, ito. Okay, so this will be my focus. So, no need to draw the Cartesian plane. So, ang point ko lang dito is magkaroon ka ng draft. Okay? So, alam mo yung orientation niya. Upward ba yan? Downward? Or left or right? Okay, now, look. Ito yung ibig ko sabihin. The focus lies above the vertex. It only indicates one thing. Okay? The focus, okay, is above the vertex. So, meaning to say, the parabola opens upward. Okay? The parabola opens upward. So, clear? Meaning to say, if the parabola opens upward, so ang naka-square is yung x minus h. See that? Okay. Since the parabola opens upward, positive 4c to. Tama? Y minus k. Clear? There you go. Now, next, take note, ang vertex mo is 0, 0. Okay, ang coordinates because origin. So, meaning, ang h mo 0, ang k mo 0. So, what will be left here is x squared equals 4c y. Okay, because k is 0. Now, ano yung c? Take note, yung c natin, that's the distance, okay? That's the distance, okay, from the focus to the vertex. This is our c. So, therefore, ang c natin is 5. 4 times 5y. Okay, so, therefore, ang equation ng parabola natin in number 1 is x squared equals 20y. See that? Okay, so I hope clear tayo. Pretty simple, right? Let's have problem number 2. Find the standard equation of the parabola, okay, if the vertex is at negative 1, 1 and having a directrix at x equals negative 5. Okay, like what we did in problem 1, it will be better if somehow we are going to sketch. Okay, kunyari, ito yung negative 1, 1. Alright. So, this is my vertex. Okay, so this is negative 1, 1. Okay, now take note, ang directrix. Okay, ano ba yan? X equals negative 5. Diba, vertical line yan? So, since negative 1, 1 to, ang abscissa ko is negative 1, so therefore, ang directrix ko is a vertical line. Tama? Vertical line to the left of the vertex. Agree? So, okay. Again, this is x equals negative 5. Okay, negative 1, 1. So, meaning to say, okay, kung ang directrix mo is located on the left of the vertex, so therefore, okay, ang focus mo nasa right, somewhere here ang focus. Okay? Banda dito yung focus. Okay, pantay ba? Okay, ayusin natin. There you go. Kunyari, yan yung focus. Alright, so actually kahit di natin kunin yung focus, pero para magkaroon lang kayo ng idea. So, meaning to say, okay, so like what we did in number 1, so, it will only indicates one thing. Okay? Yung parabola mo opens to the right. Okay, the parabola opens to the right. Once again, bakit? Plinat natin. Okay, we found out the directrix is located on the left of the vertex. It follows the focus lies on the right of the vertex. So therefore, ito yung parabola. Take note, ang F nasa interior ng parabola, di ba? Okay, nasa loob. Okay. Clear? Now, with that, okay, so since alam ko na yung opening, so therefore, to the right yan, so therefore, ang naka-square dito ngayon is yung y. Y minus k to b squared equals 4c, okay, times x minus h. Okay. Now, to the right, so therefore, positive to. Clear? Now, again, once again, tingnan natin yung difference. Okay, naka-square yung x, therefore, upward or downward. Okay, upward because positive 4c. Now, here, naka-square ang y, kaya to the right. Okay? Then, positive. Clear tayo? I hope so. Okay, now, we have the vertex. Okay, so I'm going to have y minus k. So, reverse ko lang yung sign ng k ko dito. So, y minus 1 to be squared equals 4c x minus negative 1 or x plus 1. Clear? Now, ang kailangan ko na lang is c. Now, take note, ang c, okay, this is c, okay, but since we don't have the focus, hindi siya given, take note, c din yung distance from vertex to the directrix. Tama? And that is 4 units. Bakit 4? From negative 1 to negative 5. Okay? So, therefore, okay na, alam na natin. So, that's it. So, therefore, ang equation ng parabola ko is y minus 1 to b squared equals 16. That's 4 times 4. Okay? X plus 1. Okay, there you go. Clear? Okay, problem number 3. What is the equation of the locus of a point that moves such that its distance from the point 0, 5 is equal to its distance from the line x equals negative 8? Well, actually, this is the definition of the parabola. Okay, so remember, parabola, okay, we define it as the locus of a point that moves such that its distance from a fixed point and fixed line are equal. So, meaning to say, okay, so let me draw a line. So, yung line, vertical line yan, okay, okay, so yung vertical line na x equals negative 8 is your directrix. Okay, this will be our directrix. Now, next, yung 0, 5, it is the focus. Okay, that's the focus. Okay, so, ang 0, 5 can be found to the right of the line x equals negative 8, right? Okay, so, let me label it. So, this is my focus. 0, 5. Now, what's the implication of this? So, since focus to, this is the directrix, so meaning to say the vertex lies between. Okay, nasa gitna yung vertex. Okay, so kunyari yan yung vertex natin. Okay, so let me label it V. So, meaning to say, ang implication lang nito, so I have a parabola. Okay, the opening of the parabola towards to its right. Okay, the parabola opens to the right. See that? Okay, so, anong ibig sabihin? If the parabola opens to the right, so meaning, the equation, ang naka-square dyan yung y. So, y minus k to be squared equals, so since to the right yan, positive yung 4c natin, x minus h. Now, ang tanong, meron na ba tayong vertex? So, actually, we can get the vertex here. Why? Take note, okay, kung ito yung vertex natin, okay, that's the vertex. Okay, vertex to focus is c units. Vertex to the directrix is also c units. Right? And we know 0 to negative 8, that's 8 units. So, from there, okay, we can say c is equal to 4. Okay? Tama? So, meaning to say, if c is equal to 4, alright, so the coordinates of our vertex now is negative 4, 5. Okay, negative 4, 5. Okay, pagkasyahin natin. So, negative 4, 5. So, ito yung vertex. Okay, so, see that? Okay, so, that is, okay, so, y, my k is 5, so y minus 5 to be squared equals 4c. My c is 4, so that is 4 times x minus h. So, that will be x minus negative 4. There you go. So, therefore, simplify lang natin. Ang equation ng parabola is y minus 5 to be squared equals 4 times 4, that's 16, x plus 4. See that? Okay, so that's it. Last problem. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex at 5, negative 1 and passing through the point 2, 2. Okay. So, paano kaya to? So, the vertex, so, plot natin. Okay, so in this case, kunyari, okay, 5, negative 1. So, kunyari ito, alright? Okay, suppose this is your 5, negative 1. Okay, next, ang 2, 2, alright, ang 2, 2, so, syempre, nandito yung 2 ko, ang 2 ko somewhere here. Okay, and 2, 2 somewhere here. Right? Did you get my point? So, banda dito yung 2, 2. Okay. So, this will be the point 2, 2. Okay? Now, ang tanong, what's the opening of the parabola? Actually, there are two possible scenario here. One, the parabola opens okay, upward. Okay, pwedeng ang parabola opens to the left. See that? There are two possible answers here. So, meaning to say, unahin natin yung upward. Okay, unahin natin yung upward. Okay, so if the parabola opens upward, so ang equation natin, okay, so let me use white. Okay, ang naka-square kapag upward is yung x, right? So, x minus h to be squared, ang gagamitin natin, equals 4c y minus k. Right? So, my h is 5. So, that will be x minus 5 to be squared equals, okay, wala pa akong c. Okay? But one thing is for sure, alam natin, positive yan because upward yung white, di ba? So, 4c, okay, y plus 1. Bakit plus 1? Reverse the sign. Now, the question is, how are you going to get C? Use the point 2, 2. Okay, substitute, okay, substitute 2, 2. Alright, yung P, substitute P. See that? Okay, so from there, okay, so we're going to have 2 minus 5 to be squared, 4C times 2 plus 1. Again, ang x and y mo are both equal to 2. So, that will be negative 3 to be squared. That's 9. Okay? 4c times 3. See that? Okay. So, clearly, maka-cancel to. Alright? Maka-cancel yan. That will be 3. Alright? So, therefore, ang c ko is 3/4. See that? Ang c mo is 3/4. So, therefore, ang equation natin ng parabola is this. Okay? So, ito. So, the equation here is x minus 5 to be squared equals 3/4 times 4. See? Okay, so that is 3. Okay? That's 4 times 3/4. See that? So, cancel ang 4. So, that will be 3 times y plus 1. There you go. See that? Okay, so this is the answer if the parabola opens upward. Now, ang second scenario natin, if the parabola opens to the left. If the parabola opens to the left, so therefore, ang equation natin will be like this. Y minus k to be squared equals, to the left yan, so 4c. Okay? X minus h. See the difference? Okay, so same procedure. So, y, kaya lang, babalik na rin natin, y plus 1. Alright? Y plus 1 to be squared equals negative 4c x minus 5. There you go. Now, once again, how are we going to get c? Substitute 2 to x and y. Right? So, that will be 2 plus 1 squared equals negative 4c 2 minus 5. So, that will be 3 squared. That will become 9. Negative 4c. Okay, times negative 3. See that? Okay, so clearly, ang c ko dito is pareho lang. Positive 12 yan eh. So, 9 over 12 is 3/4 pa rin. Okay, same ng value. C is 3/4. Okay, however, the parabola opens to the left. So, therefore, ang equation natin dito is y plus 1 to be squared equals negative 4. Okay? C times 3/4. Clearly, makakancel yung 4 like what we did earlier. So, magiging negative 3, okay, times, ito, x minus 5. There you go. So, this is the answer. So, dalawa yung possible answers natin. Ito, tsaka to. Clear? So, I hope you learned something on this episode. So, feel free to share. Keep safe.